Bushtracker's mantra is real caravans for the outback, so what better way to test the pinnacle 24-foot family van than a trip from Flinders through the Gammon Ranges. When Bushtracker director Matthew sat down to design his 5th Bushtracker, he knew he needed a bit more space for his growing family, but he also had a few ideas he wanted to test out. Quickly he realised that to keep the 24 under 3,500 kilos would be tough, so instead the team set a 4,495 kilo limit, the same GVM limit of the Simplicity coil spring load sharing suspension Matthew wanted to try out. With the new capacity, in went all manner of ideas Matthew has always wanted. A wine cooler, twin AC units, water and power systems like no other, and a heap more, but still leaving a healthy payload of up to 1,000 kilos. An ATM of 4,495 kilos presents a problem. Well, it once did, legally towing it. With US trucks like the new Ram and Silverado with tow ratings close to 6,000 kilos available through dealerships nationwide, owning a big van is less of an issue. After owning a Ram, Matthew chose a less well-known Nissan Titan XD for its more comfortable interior and excellent gearbox. He has seen fuel consumption around 22 litres per 100 kilometres when towing, and we were impressed with how easily it handled the weight on and off the road. The 24's good looks come from a tough 3mm thick fiberglass skin, and being rated to 4.5 tonnes, it has a 4mm chassis right through to behind the suspension. On top of the 24 are 10 solar panels combining to a mammoth 1400 watts, and at the drawbar are 250 amp Anderson plugs. Controlling the incoming power is an EnerDrive BMS, complete with app displaying charge rates and power available. Power is fed through a massive 3000 watt inverter, enough to run an induction top and both AC units with ease. Over our trip, the lowest we saw the 900 amp hour battery bank was 60%. This is a proper off-grid rig. Water is just as impressive with one dedicated 90 litre tank and 5 non-potable tanks, a UV filter, river lift pump, and of course a grey tank. The big van requires quality suspension, and Bushtracker always turn to Simplicity axles. Now this one rides on Simplicity's new coil load sharing suspension system using a variable rate coil spring, which helps dampen harsh bumps quickly and makes the ride a lot smoother. One of the standout features underneath Bushtracker is the way the company has managed to suspend the water tanks above the chassis line. And how they've done that is they've hung them off the fully welded floor frame, which is independent to the chassis and adds rigidity to the caravan body. Inside the 24, the decor is like a luxury apartment, but with room for 3 kids in the 2-metre triple bunks. There is heaps of storage throughout the caravan, from under the bed to the footlocker to the side, and of course overhead cupboards. One of my standout features is the locally sourced black butt, which is used for bench tops and the cafe table. And it's filled with technology, from wireless phone charging to an induction cooktop and even a wine fridge. As the pinnacle of Bushtracker's ability to custom build, Matthew's 24-foot family van has it all. But it's not just style, there's strength and reliability behind its good looks.